that is not an issue.
Crowds are not voters, and I've told you. Look at the crowds that cheering in my award. Look at the number of votes cheer.
Let me ask you.
That is empirical. Those are statistics.
I no mujumbe wa Jubilee. Mbwegeneta se chama ya Jubilee.
Chama ya Jubilee is legit. Ningegenete as chama ya Jubilee.
Legit.
Umayete.
What a presidential candidate kurukumbuka.
Aye. Inche igona chole tu Jubilee na abachumbe bande 34. Ntobuate party leader ya Itekuru Sabina Chege togokora biashara como bunge. Ntobuate whip ya ito. Ijine yoro Jubilee echolire n'abananchi. Na ndi Jubilee echolire n'abananchi igeyokora sine serikali of the day. Jubilee ya bandia na ndo bazi twakolere binebi gese twahagete chikura. Twakolere binebi. Ya Jubilee ya bandia tebuati mochumbe ocholire o Jubilee nonye no yomo. Ero na bego kole bindeta gete na bego ende bongi abantu batali ba Jubilee bagende go transact in the name of Jubilee. Ni kila kinte gete ko tebinga ekero kwa mboli buya sana. Nga oncholire anda Jubilee. Na ende ncholire mu jumbo Jubilee alone in the entire Nyanza. Yeah? Na ende bunango kora Jubilee li toakire chikura. Jubilee yotera decide gotwara any presidential candidate. Tebuati na ende tera ikaranza will decide. And that is what I am speaking officially from this very respectable radio station.
Boli elinde. Ni party leader Jubilee according to the register of political parties.